how to reset Booksy password. Hello guys, in this video you would learn how you can reset your Booksy password. To do so, open up your application, move to the bottom right corner where you can see your profile, and on the profiles page you can see a number of options. Ensure you select account and settings. On the account and settings page you can see account details, address, settings, your privacy, custom forms. Click on settings. On the settings page, you can see notifications, you can see app notifications, email settings, country, change password. So select it. And then you'll be asked if you're sure that it would email instructions for changing your password to you. So click on OK. And then an email will be sent to you directing you on how you can change your password. So the next step would be for you to go to your email, follow the instructions, and then your password would be changed automatically. Yeah. So just ensure you follow the instructions that have been sent to your email address. So if you know that you do not have an access to your email address, ensure you do not click on change password. So thank you and have a good day.